In 2025, Google Business Profile remains one of the most essential tools for businesses looking to boost their online visibility and attract local customers. Formerly known as Google My Business, this platform has continued to evolve, offering features that make it easier than ever for businesses to manage their online presence. In this video, we'll review Google Business Profile, explore its latest features, and explain why it's still a must-have tool for businesses in 2025. One of the standout features of Google Business Profile is its ability to increase local visibility. When customers search for products or services near them, your business appears on Google Search and Maps, complete with your address, hours, contact information, and customer reviews. This makes it simple for potential clients to find and reach you, giving your business an edge over competitors who haven't claimed or optimized their profiles. Another advantage is the comprehensive profile management tools. You can upload photos and videos, post updates about promotions or events, and add detailed business descriptions. High-quality visuals and engaging posts help your listing stand out, attract more clicks, and encourage potential customers to take action. These features make it easy for businesses of all sizes to present themselves professionally online. Customer engagement is another area where Google Business Profile shines. The platform allows users to leave reviews, ask questions, and send messages directly to your business. Responding to reviews and inquiries not only builds trust, but also shows that your business is active and attentive to customer needs. For small businesses, this kind of engagement can significantly influence customer decisions and loyalty. Google Business Profile also offers insights and analytics, providing valuable data on how customers find your business, what actions they take, and how they interact with your profile. These insights allow businesses to make informed decisions, optimize their online presence, and improve marketing strategies. In 2025, having access to this data is more important than ever for staying competitive. Finally, the platform has improved its user interface and features, making it easier to manage your profile on both desktop and mobile devices. Features like appointment bookings, messaging, and post updates have become more streamlined, saving time and helping businesses connect with their customers efficiently. Overall, Google Business Profile in 2025 is a powerful, versatile tool for any business looking to grow their online presence, engage with customers, and stay competitive in the local market. Its combination of visibility, engagement, and analytics makes it indispensable for modern business owners. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Optimize your Google Business Profile today and experience the benefits of improved visibility and customer engagement firsthand.